Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob and today I'm trying to find that extra little bit of power and about the same in weight. So those that have been following me, I'm building the GR86 for Club TR, Club Track Rat with Grid Life and my local kind of time trial stuff where I'm at. And with me tuning the car here in the next week or two, I'm hoping to, finish the exhaust in this video. Stay tuned. And to do that, we're using the JDL 3-inch overpipe and front pipe. Overpipe clamp. And the front pipe. So basically, this is gonna come off the header, clamp on here to the rest of the cat back. This is beautiful. Like, this is some good stuff. Like, I'm impressed. The only thing that there wasn't an option at the time was I couldn't coat the exhaust. I bought this right when it released them around Black Friday and just had them sent. There wasn't that option. I have his header, it's already coated. I have the HKS single exhaust. It's also coated. So I'm gonna go to Advanced and get like some high temp header paint and paint this black to match to the other stuff. All right, so what are the chances that I'm going to the store, 3 of them by the way, and cannot find black high temp paint? They had orange, red, and white, so I got silver. So we're gonna go with that, and you're not gonna see it anyway. we basically have everything out now. I loosened up the heat shield, which wasn't too bad, but it just wasn't enough for me. I know some people say you can do it. I'm sure you could if I just spent more time, but I loosened up the motor, jacked it up, and it came right out. So if you want, fight with it, or loosen up the motor mount and jack it up a little bit. Pretty simple. Let's take a look at them side by side. Now that the exhaust is painted. All right, just like in all my videos, let's weigh this thing. So you see everything zeroed out. You're just over 4 pounds. And we're just under 3. So there we go, it's not touching. We're just over 12. And we're just under 7.5. Stock exhaust is roughly 17 pounds. The JDL is right around 10, so 7 pounds of savings. All right, so now let's get this installed. All right, so the kit comes with new gaskets and hardware. All right, everything's tight. The V-band's tight. The header's tight. The clearance to the floorboard's pretty tight too, so might get a little warm on the passenger side. The exhaust is on. I'm gonna start it up. I don't know how I feel about the V-band. I'm hoping that it's on there. Everything's super tight, like really tight. I just don't know how I feel about the V-band on there. But fingers crossed, let's start it up. too bad. Now with the windows down. Gosh, that's so annoying, the exhaust leak. Yeah, I fixed the V-band clamp. It was really simple. I just loosened up the overpipe to header and the exhaust, and I kind of just moved them around a little bit, and they literally stay together. Put the clamp back on. I was able to tighten the clamp all the way, where before I can tell I couldn't. I knew something wasn't right. But let's go take it for a drive. All right, now that she's at operating temperature, this is windows up. Going through the gears. It's loud on throttle. That's 5,000. Light throttle. Cruising though with the windows up, 5th gear, 45 miles an hour, not bad. As soon as you give it throttle though, I mean, geez, they're gonna know it. So now we're going to go with the windows down. 5th gear, just cruising. Not bad. But again, as soon as you get in the throttle, pretty quiet at idle. I mean, I can hear my brakes more than I can hear the car. We're gonna see what it sounds like, you know, now that the engine's warmed up. Sounds good. It actually sounds really, really good until you get on throttle. And again, this is a car strictly for the track. I might go to the grocery store or a quick trip to Home Depot just to drive the car. Other than that, it does not move. I trailer it to the racetrack, beat the crap out of it, and trailer it home, and that's it. So I don't recommend this for street driving at all, especially for two things. One, it's really loud. Two, there's no cat, so I don't recommend that for street driving. I don't care because, again, windows down, I'm on the track. I want to hear the car. So with that being said, that will do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.